Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Running out of space on your iPhone can be a hassle, especially with all the photos, apps and files we accumulate. Fortunately, Apple makes it easy to buy more iCloud storage directly from your device. Here is a quick and friendly guide to help you expand your storage in just a few steps. Firstly, open the setting. Tap the setting app on your iPhone home screen. Then access your Apple ID. At the top of the setting menu, tap your name or profile picture to open your Apple ID. Next, go to iCloud. In the Apple ID menu, select iCloud. Next, tap on Manage Storage or iCloud Storage. Here, you will see a breakdown of how your current storage is being used. Tap Buy More Storage or Change Storage Plan. You review the available storage plan and select the one that best suits your needs. Options typically range from 50 GB to 2 TB. Tap Buy in the top right corner. You may need to enter your Apple ID password or use your Face ID to confirm the purchase. Once confirmed, your new storage plan will be active immediately and you can now start enjoying the extra space. And that's it guys, you successfully upgraded your iCloud storage, ensuring you have plenty of space for all your photos, app and important files. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with ample space on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.